Hello, this is Dr. Jason Munsell. It is about 1:30 on Tuesday, the 6th of June. I'm going to take you through a little bit of the book. I just sent you all an email. I just heard from the bookstore that the books are in, and so if you have not gotten a book yet, go get it if you have the opportunity. But what I'll do is try to take you through some of the stuff that you probably have not read yet, including the foreword, the preface, the introduction, and then some of the very last chapter, chapter 10, because I think it's helpful to understand what we're trying to do here. Also, I've been very pleased so far with what I've seen with the threading, with the forums, and the tweets and everything like that. I know it's just the second day, but we only got 4 weeks together, so I'm pleased that you all have you're getting to it lickety-split. But you need to start, if you haven't already, thinking about a topic for your assignments and researching all that stuff. And if you ever have any questions, please let me know. I'll have the second topic up tomorrow. And remember that you need to be tweeting every class day, starting today. So, and some of you have already knocked that out. So that's great. And some of you, I see, are tweeting for the very first time, which is awesome. All the cool kids are doing it, and some of the not so cool kids are doing it. But it's a really interesting form of contemporary communication. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Okay, I want to be somewhat brief here. So the foreword, the preface, and the introduction to our book. This book, again. Peace. Peace. By the way, see, my Taylor Swift 2017 calendar. I just think it's sort of funny to like her. I don't really, but it's just still funny. Okay, and I bought her 1989 album, and I actually bought through the internet a t-shirt. It said like extra large, but it was for a kid. Live and learn. So, peace, 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 peace. What is this all about? Okay. The first little thing here, the foreword by Joy James, is sort of hokey. She calls this, the organizing manifesto goes beyond elementary ideas. It offers original essays. And sort of she talks about we, the laborers. Inspired by social justice, the authors and we work as wounded healers, laborers for beauty and justice through activism fueled by injuries in an injurious world. I'm sorry. So it's all about activists trying to make the world a better place. But what's social justice? They throw social justice away. Everybody throws social justice out there. Let's ways to ignite social justice. What is it? It's not about socialism, and a lot of people don't even know what socialism is. And as I say here, unregulated. I'm not saying capitalism is bad. That has nothing to do with that. But unregulated capitalism can be bad. But basically, social justice is about everybody having justice and equality in the American way, or equal opportunity, that we fight oppression, we fight racism, not racism, we fight racism and homophobia and all that type of stuff. So she goes on this rant, tries to point out a lot of the problems that we're dealing with in our current milieu. Lots of stuff, poverty, Patriot Act, all this type of stuff. But just basically she's setting up the whole idea that we're screwed, but um, we can do it, and we need not just individual kindness, but we need larger systemic changes. And so what she's doing here is sort of giving us our own call to action and saying, as readers of this book, who, we are in the academic setting, but we need to move beyond academia. It's the lifeline of social justice. Beyond, we need efforts that are independent from the state and corporate funded mandates of public or private institutions. We must realize that outside the Academy's privileged view, basic survival is the foremost concern of activists working among the most forgotten: prisoners, runaway teens, the homeless, the hungry, the domestically abused and assaulted. It is up to all of us who believe that good enough is no longer good enough to call out this absence of well-being. And that's true. So this is what, this book is about: helping you understand strategies to, again, make the world a better place, make positive change. That's pretty much it. Though they never really define peace education per se in here, so I don't know what that is. Maybe we'll learn. Teaching Peace. Okay, there's the preface by Peter McLaren.